In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write winning ads using Chatgpt in 2025, specifically for platforms like Facebook and Google. In our digital age, crafting the perfect ad can be the key to reaching your audience and achieving your marketing goals. With the power of AI, particularly ChatGPT, creating captivating advertisements has become a more accessible and efficient process. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage this tool to enhance your advertising efforts. First, we're going to start by navigating to ChatGPT. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL chatgpt.com. This will lead you to the main interface of this powerful AI tool. If you haven't already done so, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the platform's features and layout. This will help you feel more comfortable as you proceed. Once you're on ChatGPT, you'll want to begin by asking it to create compelling headlines. Remember, the headline is often the first impression your audience will have of your ad. It needs to be attention-grabbing and relevant to your target demographic. In the ChatGPT interface, type in a prompt such as "create a headline for a Facebook ad targeting young professionals interested in tech gadgets." By including specifics, you guide the AI to generate more tailored suggestions that suit your campaign needs. As the AI suggests different headlines, take the time to review them critically. ChatGPT suggestions can serve as a springboard for your creativity. You might find that tweaking a word here or there enhances the impact of a headline significantly. Additionally, you can run multiple prompts to compare outputs and ensure you're selecting the most effective option. Moving forward, consider the wider context of your ad. Effective advertisements marry bold imagery with strong copy. While ChatGPT is a phenomenal tool for generating text, you might also want to pair these headlines with eye-catching visuals that reinforce your message. This approach will help you capitalize on the strengths of both text and imagery in your ad campaign. Lastly, remember to assess how these elements align with your brand voice and overall marketing strategy. Consistency is key. Your audience should be able to recognize your brand through both the content and tone of your ads. Use ChatGPT to experiment with different styles and approaches until you find one that encapsulates your brand's essence. With AI tools like ChatGPT, the process of creating effective ads becomes not only manageable but also enjoyable. By harnessing the power of AI, you can focus more on strategizing and less on the nitty-gritty of writing, allowing you to craft ads that truly resonate with your audience. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we wish you the best of luck in crafting compelling ads for your campaigns in 2025.